Hurricane Alex came in today. It's been raining all day, on and off. Our pool is pretty much full, and we expect more rain. So it'll probably be overflowing. There's the wind, it's picking up again. That's